here, let me get here, open. Boom, boom, venga, tíos. The game is not over. Tíos, tenéis que play, it's not to switch backends. It's to do our plan. And our plan is don't let them move the ball. What about the entries? What about the pass line? Lo que no puede ser es que pierdas el balón y que vayas a llorar a la grada mientras tus compañeros bajan. ¿Qué es lo que has hecho? Es lo que has hecho, dejarte ir y bajar caminando. Tíos, hay que rotar, hay que llegar, hay que ir. Hay que defender. We are looking to the referees, we give up, and we are not able to give 3 fucking passes in a row. We are not able to give 3 fucking passes in a row. Is everybody the baller by himself? And fellas, if they make a bucket, don't cry, no problem, run. We take it everyone, run, vamos, tíos. I don't know if my concepts against the mismatch works. I don't know. But what I know is that your words doesn't work. You are just taking pull-ups. How many boomerangs, how many heads did you play? How many times we generate for the teammates? When we start to do strange things, turnovers, we don't get nothing. When we play and repeat and that, we get advantage every single time. Every single time. Miss the layer, no problem. When we share the ball, we generate. And with the first 4 offenses, 1-on-1. No. Play, share the ball.
Let's go, let's go.